Backing up data in iCloud is a way of making copies of the files which you will be able to restore later. If you are interested in how to back up iPhone to iCloud, you get to the right place. Automatic backups are very important. If at any point in time you lose some info or want copies of your data, restoring the device via iCloud backup should do the trick. Open the Settings application from the home screen of your iPhone. Click on iCloud and sign into your iCloud account, then scroll down to find Backup. Click on it. Click on the slider next to iCloud Backup in the On position to enable the automatic backup. If you want the best way to restore your iPhone from iCloud Backup, Master iCloud Backup Recovery is your best bet. Install the software on your computer and launch it, then log into your iCloud account and type your password. Hit the arrow to head to the next page. You'd be required to enter the code if you use two-factor authentication on your iPhone. Press Verify to proceed. Check the files to restore and hit the Next button. The program will scan and then list all iCloud files on the screen. Now choose those files you wish to recover and click Recover to Computer. Before you can restore your iPhone from iCloud via Settings, you'll have to erase all settings and data from your device. Navigate to Settings and click General and Reset. When here, click on the Erase All Content and Settings option. Click Erase Now from the pop-up window to factory reset the phone. Besides, you can choose Backup then Erase. Once the factory resetting is done, you'll see a Hello screen. Use the on-screen instructions to read the app status screen. When here, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter your Apple ID and password when asked, and click Next to get to another screen. Now, choose iCloud Backup, which you wish to restore to the iPhone. After you choose the backup file, the downloading process will start on your iPhone.